Good morning, dear students. Dear students, welcome to all to the Kelly College. I am Veena Nilkode. I am a history lecturer. Today, this is my first class. Today, I introduce my subject only. So, you are very well know what is the history, what is the meaning of history, what are the uses of history, or what are the importance of history. Because already you studied in your primary and high school days. You are very so that reason you are very well know what is the meaning of history. So today I explain to you what is the meaning of history. History has been derived from the Greek word historia. Historia means inquiry or investigations. So, history is a group of events, past events. So, many historians investigations and collect the more events and create the history. So, that way, history is the prepared. So, history we called in Kannada Itihasa. Itihasa has been derived from Samskruti. In Samskruti, Itihasa, this word iti plus hasa, Itihasa. So, it means defined events that have occurred. Totally, broadly speaking, history is the subject dealing with all aspects of human life. So the Greeks were the first to develop the art of writing history as a scientific discipline. So Herodotus, a Greek historian. Greek historian. He has been regarded as the father of history. So, this all explained to the meaning of history. Now you very well knew very well what is the meaning of history. Then we are studied about what are the importance of history. So in history we are studies story of the money freedom fighters, so many great achievements and contributions, cultures. So all things you are studied in the history. So is money subjects and money concept or money events we know in the history. Study of history had many uses. Some person said who know history, they create the history. So you are create the history in your life. First you have get the knowledge about the history. So then now I explain about importance of the history. So first one, history is the memory of the past events. So you knew the his history is gives us information about the past incident or events. So it gives information about the rise and fall our heroes and many leaders sacrificed to our country. That's events also learn in history. Today we learn first event in history. That way we are create awareness about the past and guide the future also. Though this one point is uses of the first point of the history. And then second one point, history teaches religious tolerance. Many religions are there in the world. For example, Buddhism, Islam, Hindu, Christianism, Sikh. So many religions are there in the world. Buddha, founder of Buddhism, and gives many teaches the society. And Krista, Muhammad Paigambar, Guru Nanak. So many philosophers and religions give their teachings and develop the society, develop the religious tolerance. So this reason we are studied about the history. And then next one point, history is the source of inspirations. So history gives inspirations to us. So we are studied history because history recorded the joy and sorrow, great achievements and contributions of the great people. These informations inspire the common people and motivate them to serve the societies. For example, teaching of Mahavira, Buddha, Shankara, Ramanuja, C.V. Ramanna. So, the great persons, we are studies of the great persons, achievements, contributions. So, many things we are study in history. So, it is these events and get the we knowledge by the inspiration to our life. So, then one point, history promotes patriotism. In history, we are studies story of the many freedom fighters and many great persons. For example, Shivaji, Bhagat Singh, Gandhiji, Nehruji, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Rani Channamma, Jhansi Rani Lakshmibai, Subhash Chandra Bose. So many freedom fighter stories we are studies in history. How to fight for the freedom. So these all events we are studied in history. That's way we get the promote patriotism among the readers of history. History is next one point. History is a laboratory of social science. How is possible? History is a laboratory of social science because history supply historical data to other social science. For example, like economics, political science, sociology, geography, etc. So the social science are depend on information of history only. That reason we called history is a laboratory of social science. So this is also important of the history. And then history infuses noble ideas. History gives the information about noble ideas of great people of the past like Ashoka, for example, Ashoka, Akbar, Jesus, Krista, Muhammad Paigambar, Baswanna, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Mother Teresa, Gandhiji. So, many great persons, people's stories we are studying in history. This so that's way history helps us to become good citizens by adapting novel ideas. That way, John Santanen said, "It is treasury of noble ideas." What? George Santana said. It is means history is a treasury of noble ideals, and he is a light to show the right path. So that reason we are should study history. And then next one point, history helps to broaden our outlook. The study of history helps us to get knowledge about the people of different countries, traditions, cultures, and civilizations. Thus, it broadens of outlook of mankind. The detail recorded in history relating to art, architecture, literature, and religion and expands one's horizon of knowledge. So, in then 8 points, history promotes international peace. History promotes international peace because history tells about the past wars. So you very well know our world, but in world faced to already two great wars. Its effect history teach us its effects on the society, nation, how it was destroy the life and property. So it create awareness among the people. So history command establish fish in the world. And then history as professional uses. It is one of important source for teachers, lawyers, journalism, administrators and students also. It is core subject for the competitive exams like AS, IAS, IPS, PSI, FDA, SDA. These all exams you face in more than history questions. So that your history help to us. And then last one point, history has prejudice. History help us remove the prejudice like caste, creed, color, language. History gives to present generation about extreme nationalism, regionalism and major causes and result of the world. Totally, therefore, history help to understand the past and guide us to present. It emphasizes the important human values and his activities with different angles. It serves the mankind. Our Constitution Drafting Committee Chairman Dr. B.R. Ambedkar said, those who forget history, they cannot create history. So totally you are create history in your future life. Definitely you got a knowledge about the history. So who have knowledge about the history, that person create the history. So that Dr. B.R. Ambedkar said, those who forget history, they cannot create the history. So these are all importance of history. So dear students, today we are study about what is the meaning of history and what are the importance of history. Dear students, there here some questions are there, so you should answer the following questions. So for one questions is first 1 mark questions are there in 4 and one long questions is there, the you very well know. So if you have any doubts in the class, so you ask me, I answer to you. Thank you.